Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the CORSAIR 4000D Airflow PC case. This mid-tower ATX case has a high airflow optimized steel front panel and exceptional cooling potential, so let's dive in and see what it has to offer. One of the standout features of this case is the CORSAIR RapidRoute cable management system. This allows you to route your major cables through a single channel, with a roomy 25mm of space behind. Panel. The CORSAIR 4000D Airflow case features a tempered glass side panel that allows you to show off your high-profile components and RGB lighting. The CORSAIR 4000 interior that can fit up to 6x 120mm or 4x 140mm cooling fans, along with multiple radiators. The case can fit up to 2x 2.5 inches SSDs and 2x 3.5 inches HDDs. The SSD trays are also relocatable and can be moved to the mount configuration, allowing you to show off your GPU and keep it secure at the same time. Thanks for watching. For buying, check link in the description. Also subscribe my channel and like and share this video. I'll see you in the next video.